Hey guys, it's Meredith. Welcome to Orange Glad Homeschool, and today we are gardening. We have an appropriate book called Green Thumbs that we are going to look to for inspiration and ideas and instructions because guess what? I'm not a green thumb. I kill plants and I don't mean to. Like, I want a garden so bad and I want this to work, so I'm hoping that we all remember to water it. Hopefully this one does not eat dirt. We have filled up a bunch of pots. We're going to try to put some herbs in. We have cilantro, rosemary, basil, peppermint, more cilantro, parsley, cute little tools. We have an herb book over there for kids. Scarlet just read on how to plant herbs. And then we have this one, of course, here. And we're just going to try our best and hope that something grows.
Right here is going to be the arthropod.
You can just take the chunk out or put it down here with the big one.
I'm going to...
And for the flowers, we're going to put them in these really big pots down here at the bottom.
This is my
But we're going to leave like the egg carton for the herbs.
This is mine.
And maybe some of these tomatoes or something. I really don't know.
Isla
I really don't even know what to do.
Mine. Isla. Mine. Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to super speed this because it's going to take us a while.
The plant seed here.
Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe, stick around, and please hit the notification bell so that you're notified when we post a new video. Thanks for watching. We just had some gardening success. That is Scarlet's flowers, and I put Isla's flowers back here. She's very upset that her bucket was broken, which happened over there at some point. Alright, this is our finished product. We have jalapenos, basil, cilantro, parsley, peppermint, more jalapeno, rosemary, cherry tomatoes, Roma tomatoes. We have Easter baskets filled with grass seeds, so hopefully those will be growing over the next couple of weeks. There's an unwritten rule in our marriage that I do things and then my husband's going to fix it. So I know that you're supposed to start plants indoors. All of these herbs and things are going to probably have to come inside, and I don't know how we're going to do that. Maybe put them in an Amazon box. You know, he'll figure it out, and it's going to be brilliant. There you go. I hope you enjoyed watching us attempt at gardening. Thanks for watching.